Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the grammar construction, be going to. Basically, this construction is used to describe future, just like will. But there are some major differences here. For one, be going to is used to express our future intentions. For example, I am going to enter Harvard next year. It's our intention. I am planning on entering Harvard. Oh, it's very hot. I'm going to take a cold shower. It's my intention. I intend to take a cold shower because it's very hot. My laptop is pretty old. I'm going to buy a new one. It expresses my intention to buy a new laptop. We also use be going to show that something will inevitably happen. Probably we know it from our experience or because it's too obvious. For example, be careful. The coffee is too hot. You are going to burn your mouth. This is definitely not an intention. It's what we are 100% sure will happen. Probably because we already have a similar experience. Look out, you're going to spill the milk. Probably the way she's holding the glass of milk tells us that she will definitely spill it. It's quite obvious. If he keeps breaking the law, he's going to end up in jail. Well, landing in jail is what commonly happens to those who break the law too often. In spoken English, going to is often pronounced like gonna. For example, what are you gonna do? Meaning, what are you going to do? Don't worry, I'm not gonna hurt you. Meaning, I am not going to hurt you. I know you are probably feeling a bit confused about when to use will and when to use going to. I will show you the contrast in the next episode, so stay tuned.